Hi everyone, this is Candace with Scrapin Jpegs. I just wanted to give you a quick sneak peek of what's in the box. So I'm going to take the camera off of me because I feel like I'm horrible. We have no bathroom going on. So anyways, let me get showing you what's in the box because I am super excited to see this in person. So I know it's a little tiny box. It's so tiny. Can you see how tiny it is compared to my mouse? Look at that. So, anyways, it's tiny, but it is going to be amazing. So if you are on, say hello, say hi, give me some love. So look at all this fun stuff. So I'm going to take this out because that was the free punch you could earn. So that's why I got this for the promo if you spent $125. And I have a sneak peek that I think in a couple days we're going to get notice that there's going to be a spectacular sale going on with a couple free stuffs in it. I don't know for sure, but I'm pretty sure it's on trend. So if you didn't know, we carry face masks. These are super, super, super comfortable. These go right over top of your ear. I should have brought mine to show you, but I have them in stock. They're only $1.50 with tax. So let me know if you want me to get you one. I wanted to show you. All right, Jane is going to be happy. Jane is going to be happy, and a couple of you other ladies are going to be happy that I have the Aqua cardstock bag, so we can do the vitamin C bundle. So what I've been doing for you guys, the lighting's not really good to show you. That's a little bit better. But what I've been doing right now is I've been taking these packages. You can buy a whole package of 10. And this is hard to show you with the light of my, that's better right there. Typically you turn around and you purchase 10 pieces of the same color paper, and I realize that some of you ladies don't want 10 aqua because you don't use that color often. So what I'm offering now is, and I'll put them up on the website depending on what colors, that I will put together 2 sheets of colors that go with the different card packs or paper packs we have. So like for example, this complements very well to the vitamin C paper pack. So if you have that or want it or want them, it is still $10, but you get 10 sheets of paper, but you'll get 2 sheets of each of the color. So this way it'll coordinate with your displays of papers, and I can make them whatever colors you want. So let me know and we can get you that 10 sheets of cardstocks for $10. Alrighty, so what I really was excited is what's here. You've probably seen me preview that we have the firework and the roller coaster. This is amazing because you can take, somebody turned around and use this to turn around and make it like the COVID curve. So you make the curve to the COVID for your page, you know, cut off the flags and things like that. And super fun. You can turn it upside down and you can make this a fishing basket. Can you see what I'm talking about? So you would put your handle here and make this the basket, or some other people have been doing like this and making a film strip or a track that way. So lots of different ways. I should have pulled it out and punched it for you, but I was super excited what's in here, and that's really what I want to show you. So got the firecracker and the embossed locomotive, and I won't go through showing you them because I've already done demos on them, but I want to show you what's this. Look at that. This will come with your everyday order. Oh, come on camera, I know it's white, it's going to be hard to focus in. So does anybody want to guess what's in the envelope? Anybody? Anyone? Drum roll please. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da. So what is in this gorgeous box? Ta-da! So I ordered some custom spines. I took advantage of that buy 3 and get 1 hurry, and so I decided I was going to finish up my album. So I am first, this is with you as well, we are first looking at this in person, but how beautiful is this? There we go. Perfect. Right there is the light. I did this in Roboto slab, and I think this was 42 font. And then I did this one on the bottom, same font right here, but I did 16. So I'm going to show you really how super easy that it is to put these on your albums. So I am going to pull out, let's pull that album out. They're really heavy. Look how thick that is. So this is my album, and you have, when you purchase your album, you always get a spine on your album, and they do come out. You just pull them out like this, and every spine comes with your album already, but now we have where you can customize them. So I turned around and went and customized for this album. This was our California Disney trip, and I turned around. I thought they, oh yes, they do. I was going to say, I thought they had instructions on how to do this, but if you don't remember when you order them and you want to figure out how to do them in your, wow, I don't know why that doesn't want to keep staying focused, but within your spine order, you will receive this instruction on how to put them onto your album. And then it's got a barcode here that they use. So I went to home office and I saw them do this whole process. And so the lady scans in your order, and she scans this UPC, and then she scans that to the computer to tell the computer what to print on here. And then she turns around and she uses the machine and she'll tape it down like this. And then the machine will go back and forth and foil engrave whatever you would like. And this is beautiful, beautiful quality. How beautiful is that? Oh, it looks like we're gaming having issues, but I just wanted to show you real fast of how easy and how cute it is to put these on. So let me pull you up a little bit here to show you what I'm doing here. So here's your side, and like I said, here's your old one, and you'll just pull it right straight out of here. And then for the new one, it tells you, let me make sure, this is the back of my album, so this is my front. And it doesn't matter which way you want to put your covers in, but they recommend that you fold it like such. So you'll fold it like that, and then you're going to insert one end, and then you're going to take your other end, and you're just going to slide it in like so, so you don't crease your albums. And look how super fast, easy was that, and look how spectacular that now looks. And that's going to look on my bookshelf. I think this light is messing it up. Yeah, it is a little bit, so it's not as bright and colorful, but look at that. How beautiful. And so I went ahead and I did it for all my 2012. So I wanted to show you in person what it looks like, because you can do different ways with your albums how you would like. Thank you, Michelle. So you don't have to do just like how that one I just made. Sorry, I wanted to pull it out for you. You guys can choose what size font you would want with your albums. So you can see, let me back up right there. Oh, let me go down like that. There we go. You can see the difference of the size and the fonts. The light is still playing off. But see how I turned around and did the smaller font on here? So I still have my memories that I'll have on my album. And then I have on the bottom, I put the volume number. So I just wanted to show you how you can mix and match your sizes to whatever you're working on. This one I did Disney World, and then this was February. This was only 3 days, Where's that album? Disney World. Oh, so three-day album. I mean, come on. Who doesn't need 3 days to be that big of an album? So I'm excited to get these put on my album, and I will take a picture here in the comments and show you. But I just wanted to show you there is lots of colors and lots of ways for you to mix up your spines. Look at that. I'm so excited. So if you need any help with this, want any encouragement, this would be an amazing way for you to look at your bookshelf and be able to know what is on your bookshelf. And I am excited to put these on. This one will go this way on my bookshelf. Oops, nope, sorry. This will go this way. So I hope that you'll give this a try and look at your albums, and I can't wait to post a picture and show you when I get all my spines on what it looks like. But I just want to let you know I'm trying to get online here and do more videos for you, but look at all that construction going on. And thank you, Michelle, thank you. We had all that construction on, so golly dang, we've had so much noise and banging. I'm sorry I can't get on, unless give me a thumbs up if you want to listen to the banging too. So hopefully tomorrow I will come to you with a Tooltip Tuesday. They have everything demoed in the bathroom. So that's my fingers crossed to do that, but I have a whole schedule put together for you guys, but I just can't get to it. So if you're considering doing custom spines, I would highly recommend it. I was over the moon of how these turned out, and I'm so happy to get my album started. So let me know if you need any questions or help with getting this done too for your albums. I'm glad to help you. If you don't want me to help you and you want to go back and look at the last video I posted regarding this, I'll link that in the comments as well. And then you can go back to that and look at that to see how it's done. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. I miss you guys. I can't wait to see you soon. Bye-bye.